আজি এই অনুষ্ঠানটোৰ কাৰণে মই বিশেষকৈ শ্যামকানু মহন্ত ডাঙৰীয়াক বিশেষভাৱে ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ। আৰু আজি এই অনুষ্ঠানটোক বহু কষ্ট স্বীকাৰ কৰি he made it one of the leading festival of the entire country. It's not only confined to Northeast, but today we are all very much grateful for the kind presence of Rajendra Singh ji, our dynamic Minister of Tourism and Culture, and also former Union Minister and presently the member of Rajya Sabha Rameshwar Terry ji, and also the renowned actor Adil Hussain ji, and all other dignitaries present here today, and my dearest student friends from Northeast. In the last 10 years, as Rajendra Singh has rightly quoted, that in the last 10 years, whatever changes we have discovered in the entire Northeast, it is because of our dynamic leader of the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. In the last 10 years, whatever changes we have got, before that, you know the backwardness of the entire region. Now Northeast is shining. Northeast is the fastest growing region of the